does not mean equal. Instead, it stands for assignment. So we are updating our variable. So whereas we could say counter equals 1, counter equals 2, if we want to use the old value, initially, this will be 0, and then we'll take 0 and add 1 and store the result back in the same variable counter, but we're updating its value. So we don't need this x equals 5. And now we can try running this. We will get an error though. Unindent does not match any outer indentation level. So what happened is that when I hit enter, it looks like Python prefers 4 spaces.